What's up? This is Dr. Taylor Krick at the Washington Wellness Center, and just a really quick, whiteboard video, something that we explain to patients. And I've asked people before, I ask them, have you ever seen the show Gold Rush? And I've never had anybody say yes. And it's a show that my wife and I, have watched, and I'll explain the concept. And basically, these guys are gold diggers, right? But they're not digging like in their backyard. They're digging in a place where they know there's gold, where they've tested the soil, they know it's there, but they don't know exactly where it's at or where they're going to find it. And we'll use this metaphor with patients of like, hey, your results or your true optimum health, that's like gold, and we know it's in there somewhere. We know it's in there somewhere. Sometimes we dig down and it's like right on the surface. And it's like the very first thing that we do. Somebody comes back and they're like, I'm off my acid reflux medication I've been on for 15 years, and my digestion is great, and my anxiety is gone. And it's like, I don't know what you did, but like, I'm doing awesome, thank you. That's not always the case, right? But the point is with the gold is like, sometimes you dig down here and it's not there. It doesn't mean that it's not in there, it's just not sitting on the surface. Sometimes we dig a little bit deeper and we find it. Sometimes it's on our, second dig in that we find something. Sometimes we have to keep digging is the point though, but we know that it's in there. Our goal isn't to just jump right to the bottom and look for it. Our goal is to start slow and look at some basics. So like, let's say for example, some of the low hanging fruits, your blood sugar's got to be balanced. Whether you got Alzheimer's or you got bloating or you got, fill in the blank with anything in between, your blood sugar's got to be balanced. Your vitamin D's got to be balanced. Your homocysteine's got to be in the range we want it to be in. You've got to be having bowel movements regularly every single day. These are non-negotiable, do not pass goes. And if those don't correct the problem, then we dig a little bit deeper. We look a little bit deeper into labs. Maybe we look at, gut testing, or we look at autoimmune testing, or we look at toxin testing. Maybe then, we get another level of progression, but maybe at some point we've got to dig a little bit deeper. We're looking at your environment. We're looking at mold and mycotoxin exposure. We're looking at a multiple tissue autoimmune panel. But in our practice, we don't jump right to thousands of dollars of lab work right away. Although sometimes it could be appropriate to just let you know, like, this is what's going on and this is what we now know. That's not really my style. My style is to go a little bit, see if anything's there, then go a little bit deeper and go a little bit deeper. But we know that the gold is there. We know that your body has the ability to heal. We know that that's the way that you've been designed. We know that if we cut your hand, that cut's going to heal. So if your body can heal that cut on the outside, why can't it heal your anxiety or your IBS or your thyroid? And sometimes things have been going on for too long. We're never going to get you back to the way that you were when you were 15 maybe, but boy oh boy, can we make some improvements? Absolutely. But we just need to keep digging sometimes, but we know that the gold is down there.